In this short tutorial, I'll show you our new feature on how you can auto-populate the case barcode titles without doing anything at all but scanning the single unit. Head on over to the Manage Barcodes page and scan the case barcode. Click the Add Case button and then scan the single barcode. Wait a brief moment and the case barcode will auto-populate. Now just enter the number of units in that case and press return and you are done. The use of the auto case barcode is optional. If you type in your case barcode title ahead of time, it won't overwrite it. And if you want to customize the title, you can do so at any time. For example, if you want to change it to box instead of case. So if you want to learn more about Inventory Manager, head on over to the plugin page. There's a link in the product description below. And subscribe if you want to see more of these tutorials and keep informed of the latest updates.